Lona uthi bamskemile lapha eJoburg emva kokuthi abone iadvert lethi bafuna abantu labatomodela kanti nayo uyayithanda imodeling. So le agency bayibita ngokuthi African Agency. Uthi uye khona lapho nakafika lapho indlela bafika bayenda khona bathi interview kanti bafika bafuna bomfaka ititi. Uthi bamfaka ititi lapha yena bekangavumi. But kuyabonakala ivideo yakhe la atikhumulela khona yena abukeka ngathi unesmile kwangathi le nto abafuna kuyenda uyayadi noma inxubhuka letiti uyabonakala ayibamba ayibuyisela lo mlakalaka ukuthi uyawufuna vele perhaps so yena uyasho ukuthi no bangiskemile mina bengakayeli lokho mina vele ngithandzela imodeling. So lama agency angibitile khona lapho kanti le agency yakhona ngathi iona ngilelinye libhunu lemlungu lelingasila khona la eMzansi lelifika lite khona la kutolahlisa abantu umthwalo alisebenzisa protection so yena una 20 years bekumele ngabe into la yendako sivumelwano lasendako nebantu siyasebenza siba valid ngoba undlulile ku18 years. So sizokhuluma ngabantwana abancane labangafiki bo18 years kusicaphelani ningahambi nithatha into etibona la internet bethe niyahamba nithi niya interview kanti le interview bafika bakulahlisa umthwalo uyabona kunetinkinga kakhulu perhaps vulani mehlo ningafani nalo seswini lo ngoba labaningi bathi hayi wena ubhataliwe sicela ubone ibank statement yakho ngathi uyijabulela.
There's no way man yaza iproblem nobogelini obogeli bayathengisa mara bathengisa amabhaqama every day besisho lento le bathi thina siyabathuka labantu bayathengisa mara bathengisa private. Lo muntu lo bekangeke akhulume next bekangeke ashayina le video nyana ishayile ukuthi naki TV next I'm just a victim what bekangeke if le video le ayizange trend bekangeke that when that someone knows it. You see mina ngisho na today dog ngisajola khona ugeli bengijola naye yezo beka push OnlyFans mina ngingazi mina I had to find out myself namanje ugeli wakhona hey ebachimbosi mina sengikhulumela nini ningena next machimbosi every day bengintshela ukuthi never feel small dog uthuwa bogela bakushiya bathawuna fokol be happy my dog be happy. The very same people laba bagijimise emuva amagutsumela nani ama big boys big ballers beka bayenzana aba trendies bashanga inkazo aba trendies thina siyazama ndoda akufani ugele ngiyamthatha ngimhlalise la shop yami ngimenzela ikotanyana e30 adle bese kusasa azothi is not worth it ngimzame ngekota e30 emabhansini nawo amabhansi uyabona malini uyayibona malini ibhansi R30 ayi3 phakathi ngimshayela inye crane madoda ningazodlala ngathi mina bo my sister nini indaba yena ayisekho selimane nje nibophisa abanye abantwana mahala amanye asibophisa nje nisibophisela into engekho yikho lento hawu ikhona interview ntwana yaserumini noma ngithiwa ngidom kanjani dog ayikho interview yaserumini yiphi company leqashe erumini uyaziyo wena noma ngathiwa ngikaze ngasebenza noma bangathi bangibiza bathi interview yami ise 375 room number 3 angangiye ngiyenzani yena uthwala inhloko yakhe empunga waye erumini uyibonile le awuchizi ifaka nesandla is it okay athi yes daddy namhlanje ufuna ukuzenza ivictim iawuchezo jola na.
The way I'm so emotional, angazi nokuthi ngithini. The way I am so emotional. The way I am so sad. The way I am so sad, you guys. African casting. I am so emotional. I am so sad. You know those girls, each and every one of them, they went there really thinking good they got themselves a job. They ended up being used for the internet porn. Porn. Nohal. pawn. And really, this is why he made them sign a contract. He's got sick fantasies. I watched all of them because I wanted to see. There's a lady, I think she's my age group. And when I look at her, I'm like, she's in Pums. She's thinking she still got it. She can make it to the modeling agency world. And you know, what happened is, we are females. I wouldn't be putting myself through that unless there's things that I need to do. That guy looked for desperate chicks. You cannot tell me Uguti, there were not girls that walked away from that. There were, but we didn't get to see them. He doesn't videotape those. He's not interested in those. He wanted the desperate ones. The ones he will threaten about. No, what I've realized, he first disappoints you, and then he gives you an option. Oh, you know, I think I can do something for you. Fagala uzotholala. Oh, hi, guys. Ooh, sis! What kind of a world are we living in? I am so sad. I don't know what to do. I'm so emotional. African casting. Oh, buena. No, those are sisters. You cannot be doing that. And do I blame Lerato? No, I'm not blaming Lerato. I don't. And I don't blame each and every one of them. Desperations in your life will make you do such things because you're thinking, okay, this can be my little secret. Even though there's a camera, I hope he'll post overseas because uzwa ukuthi une accent as well. Oh nkulunkulu, oh simakade wezulu, oh Jehova. Kanti usathane endini uzoyifaka lapha ku XXX. Ikhanda lami liyazula lithi. And me watching this on Facebook, when I first saw it, I said to myself, what could this poor Lerato chick have done that can be so surprising? Because I'm 42 years old. I've done things that I'm not proud of. But saved by the grace yokuthi, back in the day, there was no internet. We've done questionable things. We cannot be sitting here and act as if ungathi manje we are like holier than thou. No. Majority of us, we've done questionable things. But my goodness. Ikamera simakade wezulu. Ikamera Jehova olungileyo. Oh nkulunkulu. How loya sisolingana nami angazi ukuthi isidima sakho uyosicosha kiphi dustbin. I don't know. Ngiphathwe headache elana. Father. Oh, I'm sad. Yazi nine ene ngifuna ukusho. Mina ngiblame uCyril. Labantwana aba desperate for umsebenzi. Omunye uyambuza ukuthi wena don't you, and uzubona ukuthi lo sathane lena ne uyayazi uqala ubabuza ngama childhood memories. Uyambona ukuthi uyaphi, uyayijija lento lena. He went for black children because uyabazi ukuthi bahluphekile and they have childhood histories and they have childhood traumas. Oh bawo Jehova. Uyini guys, ayini. That, well, it apparently they signed. They can't even protest, I'm sure, ukuthi ikhiphe from ku XXX, cause what the fuck. uNkulunkulu isidima sam. Ngiblame uCyril yazi with all the things ezenzakala eSouth Africa, I blame Cyril Ramaphosa for every girl or woman that got to be taken for granted in that place. I blame Cyril Ramaphosa. Wenza abantu bakho kabi. These are the consequences. And nina, Cyril, ni worse because nina bantwana benu basema university bafundile banjanjani. They grew up with the silver spoon. Ebethu, this is the circumstances that they had to face each and every day. And that's just the reality of life. I blame you, Cyril, for this nonsense. I blame you, Cyril. Hadn't they be work, I don't think some of these girls will be going through that nonsense. Akunamisebenzi, guys. Oh, and then omunye uyambuza ukuthi if you would get money right now, what would you do? Athi nginosisi wami graduate high. Obvious, that was last year December. Guys. Oh. African casting. Akusina ibhunu la ibhunu elazi umlando wase South Africa ukuthi vele aba black South Africans bahlupheka. Shwele baba.
African house casting. Immediately when a casting agency casts only a certain race, you must know something is not right. A lot of those ladies, they don't have experience. Some of them, their features are not modeling features. And they still got called. And the questions were suspicious. Another scam involving young women in South Africa, young desperate women in South Africa, and the people on the comment section, they are very harsh. We are going through an economic issue where unemployment is at an all-time high. People are willing to even model with the bodies that are not modeling type bodies. We need to look at the root cause of why people get taken advantage so easily. Unemployment. Let's not judge. But then again, the suspicion also led they are only casting women, young women. Well, there was some that were 33, 34.
Lo mlungu lona ubacedzile abantu labamnyama udila vela ngabantu labamnyama ebabita ababide lapha nakafika afika bafake lo mvongotho wakhe perhaps wow yabo Lerato kubhlungu ngoba sasemncane but sobona lokukhulu ufike lapha wamfaka lelikhuni lakhe yabo Lerato noma ngabe bekangafuni bengakakhona ukuthi akafuni ngenxa ukuthi umlungu lomnyama angathi makabona umlungu avele into umlungu ivela nje ithembeke nakamlungu anazo ukuthembisa umsebenzi umlungu noma ngambona athambelele edrobheni uva na umuntu omnyama uva ngathi ngamnika iCV umlungu vela ubelieve ukuthi vele lo muntu utongicasha perhaps yabo noma ungafuni into emlungwini awukhoni yabo so baningi laba kule situation yale Rato labanye kuma event organizer bakubide bathi no mawufuna ngubhukhe the daily way yabo bafuna ukulahlisa umthwalo before uthola ibooking thola isibooking yakhona is 300 ngakhona ukuyithola umzukuzuku uyabo baningi lama producer abethe abantu etindlini athi ya it's producer this song acule umuntu bamuva ukuthi lo muntu uyabhimba nethi bayakwazi ukuthi kunento la nayo la ifihlile lengabhimbi bafuna uyona bafuna ukuthi kulahle umthwalo perhaps uyabona baningi umuntu athi ukufundisa ku DJ endlini lo mnyathi asambe sijike lapha endlini silandzele ijezi nawufika endlini sokumoshakela perhaps
I am really just wondering if this whole African casting, this guy, Ivo Suze, the guy that owns this casting agency, whatever that is called, where these young women are going there allegedly to get their 10,000s and record these XXX videos. If it was done by an African black man in particular, a 50-year-old African black man, if this people gang were going to be quiet about it, or the uproar was going to be this subtle. It is there, but it's very subtle. But if it was a black African man, I tell you, there will be noise all over the place, regardless of this contract that apparently or allegedly this women or these young women signed with Ivo Suze. This then brings a question: do black women hate black men to that extent that anything that black men do, it's a crime? Anything that white people do, it can be treated like okay, it's okay, it's fine. I mean, this is what I want to understand. Why you not? Yes, there's contracts allegedly and stuff, but this man, like if it was a black guy, there will be an issue. There will be issues here because clearly he is a predator of some sort, using money. He is somehow not a full pedophile, but he falls in that category anyway. If it was a black guy, African, 50-year-old, I tell you, there will be an uproar. But hey, that's what they keep saying. They say African or black men are dogs. They never said any other tribe. They've got a problem with us. They don't have a problem with any other race. Their problem is us. They want money. As long as there's money involved, they are okay. That's why anything that is bad, if it can be paid for, women will keep quiet about it.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi waseMzansi. Kunestori lesithrendako lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana yemlungu loqedza amantombazana la South Africa ngelisenze laphana enkundleni yokuxhumana. Kuthiwa lo mlungu lona uthatha lama video lawo yofaka lana abantu babukela khona leti nkonzo tebantu labadzala. Kuthiwa lamantombazane wa approacha ngazuthi ufuna kwafaka kokuthi model, but makwafika laphana uyabatshela iqiniso ukuthi kahle kahle yena udila ngani, umnika ingcuza ukunika 10,000. Bayavuma ke bantwana laphana sibabone basantuza bababhizi ma video yabo sabalele lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana ngalo sebafika bathi bona bebangadi ona ba exploitiwe baskenyiwe. Some of the ladies kufaka phakathi abantu labashadile, abantu labanemadota ngisho nema influencer. So bantu bayasho nje ukuthi it's not like lo mlungu yabafostela, and it's not like akabatshela iqiniso, bayativumela bona labanye size sibabone balibuyisela phakathi uma liphuma. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.